Here is a beginner-level People Manager quiz that covers managing employee conflicts beyond projects, shaping organizational culture and team morale, and succession planning and leadership development. Let's go. Question 1. What is the first step a people manager should take when handling a workplace conflict? A. Gather facts and listen to both sides objectively. B. Ignore the situation and hope it resolves itself. C. Take immediate disciplinary action without investigation. And D. Ask employees to resolve it without intervention. Answer. Gather facts and listen to both sides objectively. Question 2. How should a manager approach a conflict between two employees? A. Take sides based on personal preference. B. Facilitate an open and constructive discussion. C. Immediately transfer one employee to another team. And D. Let the conflict continue to see how it unfolds. Answer. Facilitate an open and constructive discussion. Question 3. What is an effective strategy for preventing workplace conflicts? A. Encouraging open communication and setting clear expectations. B. Avoiding conversations about team dynamics. C. Promoting competition over collaboration. And D. Ignoring minor disagreements. Answer. Encouraging open communication and setting clear expectations. Question 4. What is the best way to resolve a conflict between two high-performing employees? A. Promote one and demote the other. B. Encourage a constructive conversation with clear resolution steps. C. Let them handle it on their own without guidance. And D. Assign them separate projects permanently. Answer. Encourage a constructive conversation with clear resolution steps. Question 5. If an employee reports workplace discrimination, what should the people manager do? A. Ignore the complaint if it's a first-time occurrence. B. Immediately terminate the accused employee. C. Take the complaint seriously, investigate thoroughly, and act fairly. And D. Avoid discussing the issue to prevent discomfort. Answer. Take the complaint seriously, investigate thoroughly, and act fairly. Question 6. What is the most important factor in shaping a strong workplace culture? A. Leadership behavior and company values. B. Office location and physical workspace design. C. The number of social events organized per year. And D. The length of employee contracts. Answer. Leadership behavior and company values. Question 7. How can a people manager improve team morale? A. Ignoring employee concerns about workload. B. Assigning more work to increase productivity. C. Avoiding team discussions to reduce conflicts. And D. Recognizing employee contributions and fostering a positive work environment. Answer. Recognizing employee contributions and fostering a positive work environment. Question 8. What is an effective way to reinforce a company's values among employees? A. Including company values in onboarding and leadership training. B. Expecting employees to understand values without guidance. C. Only discussing values during annual reviews. And D. Keeping values private and known only to management. including company values in onboarding and leadership training. Question 9. Why is employee engagement important for a company's success? A. It reduces work-life balance. B. Engaged employees are more productive, innovative, and committed. C. It increases the number of meetings in a company. And D. It ensures employees work longer hours. Answer. Engaged employees are more productive, innovative, and committed. Question 10. Which action best helps build a collaborative work environment? A. Reducing team discussions and collaboration. B. Rewarding only individual contributions. C. Encouraging teamwork and open communication. And D. Assigning employees to work in silos. Answer. Encouraging teamwork and open communication. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the main goal of succession planning? A. Keeping career advancement opportunities limited. B. Ensuring only top management makes decisions. C. Hiring external candidates for leadership positions. And D. Preparing employees for future leadership roles. Answer. Preparing employees for future leadership roles. Question 12. Which of the following is not a key aspect of succession planning? A. Identifying high potential employees. B. Providing leadership training and development. C. Keeping employees in the same roles indefinitely. And D. Planning for future leadership transitions. Answer. Keeping employees in the same roles indefinitely. Question 13. How can a people manager develop leadership skills in employees? A. Giving them opportunities to lead projects and mentor others. B. Assigning them only routine, repetitive tasks. C. Avoiding discussions about career growth. And D. Keeping all decision-making at the senior level. Answer. Giving them opportunities to lead projects and mentor others. Question 14. What is the best way to ensure leadership continuity in an organization? A. Waiting until a leader leaves to find a replacement. B. Providing ongoing leadership training and mentorship. C. Hiring external candidates only. And D. Avoiding leadership discussions with employees. Answer. Providing ongoing leadership training and mentorship. Question 15. Why is mentorship important in leadership development? A. It reduces workplace collaboration. B. It delays career growth. C. It helps employees learn from experienced leaders. And D. It is only useful for senior executives. Answer. It helps employees learn from experienced leaders. Question 16. What should a people manager do when an employee expresses interest in a leadership role? A. Tell them leadership is only for senior employees. B. Ignore their request and focus on current tasks. C. Assign them routine work with no leadership responsibilities. And D. Provide guidance, training, and development opportunities. Answer. Provide guidance, training, and development opportunities. Question 17. What is an effective way to measure leadership potential? A. Assessing problem-solving, communication, and decision-making skills. B. Evaluating only technical skills. C. Selecting leaders based on tenure alone. And D. Ignoring leadership assessments. Answer: assessing problem-solving, communication, and decision-making skills. Question 18. How can people managers promote ethical leadership? A. Avoiding transparency in leadership decisions. B. Encouraging leaders to prioritize personal gain. C. Leading by example and maintaining integrity in decision-making. And D. Keeping ethical training optional. Answer: leading by example and maintaining integrity in decision-making. Question 19. Why is cross-functional experience important in leadership development? A. It limits an employee's ability to specialize. B. It helps employees gain a broader understanding of business operations. C. It reduces the need for collaboration. And D. It slows down career progression. Answer: it helps employees gain a broader understanding of business operations. Question 20. What is the best way to ensure fairness in leadership selection? A. Avoiding leadership discussions. B. Promoting employees based on personal preference. C. Ignoring leadership potential when making promotion decisions. And D. Using structured evaluation criteria based on merit and performance. Answer: using structured evaluation criteria based on merit and performance. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.